What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can deposit and withdraw from your TD Ameritrade account if you're living outside of the United States and don't have a US bank account. The services that I'm going to be showing you is called Wise Money Transfer. This is a money transfer services that allow you to send money to over 80 countries around the world. The great thing about it is that it allows you to send money directly to the recipient's account and they can receive it in the sending currency. That means if the person sends US dollar to you, once you have an equivalent US account, then you'll receive the money in US dollars. What Wise allows you to do is get what is called a virtual bank account, and this acts like a regular bank account that you go in branch and open with any bank. It allows you to open different bank accounts like a Great Britain account, a Canadian account, as well as a US account. So the one that you choose is really up to you. I believe this is great for money transfer as well, as I see it in the future. It could be a possible replacement for Western Union as more people come on board with it. As a way of saying thank you, you can also sign up with the link in my description. Let's get right into it. Step 1, you're going to open your account. Log on to wise.com and click register, and you have the option to log in with Facebook, Google or Apple. The choice is really up to you. I went ahead and create an account with just my email address and password, and for the verification process you're going to need to upload an ID, and you're also going to need a phone number for validation. This is called two-factor authentication. Step 2, what you're going to do is fund your account so you can get a virtual bank account. This will get you a routing number and a bank account. So let's go right into this process. So once you're logged in, you're going to click on account, click on account details, and here you have the option to get different account details. So I'm going to be using a US account, and to do this I'm going to need a minimum of $20. So I'm going to proceed, and I'm going to be using a debit card. Click continue. Because I already added a card information, this is why I have two options here. I have the save card as well as new card. So in your case you'll be only seeing the option for new cards. You fill out the form and proceed to pay. So I'm going to just go back to pay card, save card, and specify my security code. Take note of the charges, relatively small, and if you're doing an ACH, that would be less. However, depending on your bank that you use, you might have to call them for them to allow the transaction for the debit card. Once you reach this section, you're going to open your camera to scan the QR code. Make sure you check the settings of your camera to ensure that the scan QR code option is turned on. Once you do that, you'll get a prompt to navigate to the Wise website. You're going to re-log into your Wise account, and then you're going to hit verify your account. Here you're going to upload your driver's license, the front and the back if that's what you use for your ID, as well as a selfie, and hit continue. So I just completed the process on my mobile phone. Now you see it saying that we are all done for now. So it got it, and the verification process might take a few hours, so we'll resume this video once that is completed. So within literally less than 5 minutes, I've received the confirmation email that my documents were verified. So let's navigate back to Wise because I didn't even sign out. Now let me refresh and see what happens. Here we go, all set. So if you click this little icon here, you would see your account details, and just like that you're all set up. So this is the information that we're going to need to link to TD Ameritrade now. Your routing number as well as your account number. So log into your TD Ameritrade account. Once you're logged into your TD Ameritrade account, you want to go on deposit, then select transfer from your bank, select create new Ach connection. So once you're on this page, you want to specify your account number, your routing number, the account type, as well as whether it's your name on the account or not. Hit continue. You're going to also need to specify a unique name for the connection. 2 test deposits were sent. Once you have received your test deposit from TD Ameritrade, proceed to add them so you can complete setting up your ACH account. Now I'm all set. I can go ahead and deposit. So I'm going to do transfer from bank, and I'm going to select the connection which I just add. Specify the amount. I have $30 on the account, so I'm going to do deposit $20. Frequency 1 time. Submit. Once the deposit is complete, you'll get a notification. So I've just received the confirmation on my phone that my deposit is here. So let's refresh. And here we go. Our deposit is here and ready to go. To withdraw your money, all you need to do is go on the withdraw tab, and then you're going to do withdraw by transferring the money to your bank using the ACH method. And once you withdraw back to Wise account, then you can transfer from Wise directly to your local bank account. And again, as a way of saying thank you, you can also use the link in my description to sign up for Wise and get your account going. And you can also use the Wise account to do money transfer. You can transfer it to your friends abroad. You can get a US account, a GBP account, and also a Canadian account. So this is a great intermediary. It gives you a bank account which you can use for multiple purposes. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching.